Here comes our new neighbors, Lisa and Rich, with their new boat.
Wasting away, I'm starving.
How come there's no big bow on that boat? It's your birthday boat. Oh, okay.
He just got it early.
Yeah.
He needs his toys too, unless he picks up that.
Sure. I take it you went out for a ride?
We did. Couldn't get in that corner.
I know, low tide is awful.
I told you about that. That's a tough corner to get in.
He looked at it, he goes, yeah, not the first time.
Not this time, not for now.
We got lost.
You got lost?
Lost.
How the heck?
We didn't come out where we thought we would.
Oh man.
That's okay.
Big smiles. Come on, big smiles. Yay!
Nice.
All right. You know.
Rich is like, okay, I'm embarrassed.
That's okay.
I said, Nancy said, we'll hear them when they come in. I said, oh, no, we won't. Just make it one continuous video. Well, I will try not to. Oops. I'm going to see how often you fell off your bicycle to do a good docking. If you know what I mean.
Let's hope not. Take him to the hospital.
Not too much pressure. Hi, plant. Get your new deck in here.
Yeah, we gotta get more.
Cool. Nice going. Jump!
Almost ready. Come on, Betty.
There you go. You can do it. You can do it. Beautiful.
Yeah, especially being I need the other one done too.
Nice job. It's going to be one long ass video. I think I'm taking video.
Yeah.
We're also talking about adding on to this deck, to that other coat there.
The dates, this one.